name is Donna Miller. I'm a graduate combat systems engineer at BAE Systems in Scotstoun. I'm working on the Type 45 destroyer. I come from Thurso and Caithness, which is on the north coast of Scotland. There's a large fishing population there, which means I've always been in harbour type situations, in and on and around boats, always covered in grease from head to toe. As I progressed through university, it was systems engineering and the human factors side of it that I picked up on and excelled in during my degree course. So it really tied in really well with my background and my heritage in Thurso, coming down here and using my degree course to do something that really affects my life. The area that I work in, the actual building, is the Platform Design Centre for Type 45. So that's where all the design and all the drafting of all production drawings, etc. is happening. Down in the module hall, you'll see parts of the ship coming together. Ships are no longer built from the bottom on up. They're now built in blocks like a jigsaw, and they all get fitted together, and we're actually building blocks between this site in Scotstoun, the site in Govan, which is still in the Clyde, and then as far afield as Vosper-Thornygroft, who are building the mast, which is down in Southampton. They're barging up the individual units of the ship up to the Scotstoun site. We have a roll-on, roll-off pier, which then the units are barged up and on a low loader are trailered up into the module hall and essentially stuck together. So it's quite an amazing process to watch, and over the course of my graduate programme we're going to see the first of class for the Type 45 coming together. To assess the criteria for the damage control software, I'm going to have to undergo Fire Officer C training, which means I'll have to undergo training for floods and fires on board the ship during war and peacetime situations. This is to ensure that I have enough experience to accurately mock up situations that are going to become testing scenarios for the software. It's interesting being a graduate in such an industrial place, and you're allowed to stand on your own 2 feet, and when you're given responsibility, as you are in the placements and the projects that you do, you're given responsibility, and I find I really thrive on that. Ships and seafaring has always really been part of my life. It is scary when you first start out, but you don't have time to be scared after that. As I say, you've just got to get moving and get in and get organised.